Hi friends. Welcome to a new learning video on Pharmaguideline. Today we will know how to effectively execute the validation protocol. Effectively executing the validation protocol is crucial to ensure accurate and reliable results. Here are some steps to help you execute the validation protocol effectively. Understand the protocol. Familiarize yourself with the validation protocol, including its purpose, objectives, and specific requirements. Understand the parameters being verified and the acceptance criteria that need to be met. Prepare the necessary resources. Gather all the resources and materials required for the validation process. This may include equipment, instruments, reference standards, reagents, and qualified personnel. Follow standard operating procedures. Adhere to established standard operating procedures and guidelines throughout the execution of the validation protocol. This ensures consistency and standardization in the process. Perform pre-validation checks. Before starting the actual validation, conduct pre-validation checks to ensure that all instruments and equipment are functioning properly. Calibrate instruments, verify system suitability, and perform any necessary maintenance or adjustments. Document and record. Maintain thorough documentation throughout the validation process. Record all relevant data, observations, and results accurately and in real time. Document any deviations, issues, or corrective actions taken during the process. Follow good laboratory practices. Adhere to good laboratory practices, including proper sample handling, labeling, and storage. Maintain a clean and organized workspace to minimize the risk of contamination and ensure accurate results. Analyze and evaluate results. Analyze the collected data and evaluate the results against the defined acceptance criteria. Ensure that all calculations and data interpretations are performed correctly. If any deviations or discrepancies are observed, investigate and address them appropriately. Review and approve. Have the validation results reviewed by qualified personnel to ensure accuracy and completeness. Obtain necessary approvals or sign-offs as per internal quality control procedures. Generate a validation report. Prepare a comprehensive validation report summarizing the procedures followed, the results obtained, any deviations or issues encountered, and any corrective actions taken. The report should be clear, concise, and well organized. Review and continuous improvement. Review the executed validation protocol to identify areas for improvement. Evaluate the effectiveness of the process and identify any lessons learned. Incorporate these improvements into future validation protocols. By following these steps and maintaining a systematic approach, you can effectively execute the validation protocol and ensure accurate and reliable results. Remember to always prioritize adherence to standard procedures, documentation, and quality control practices to achieve the desired outcomes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.